downtown Massillon, Ohio, State Route 172, our beautification project. But this time I'm partnered up with Massillon Tigers Go, Zach.
What's up, guys?
I'll be linking his channel in my description.
For me too, guys.
I want to take you around the site here. Still kind of treacherous. They've been leveling all this out for the new road bed. Because of time constraints, I had to come down in the evening, so there's no work going on. This intersection is almost done, and they've got their bump outs that they've started. So I talked to the mayor the other day. They did this so that they can narrow the distance across the road. I'm going to take you up and show you them here in a little bit, but I'm going to go down now.
It's pretty nice. It's starting to look nice.
This is more level than it used to be, but they've still got a lot of work to do.
Yeah. Wait till you see them in the morning.
October 25th is our planned completion date, but
hopefully
who knows what will happen. And Zach's brother is with us too. We're just walking by all the equipment.
Got a bunch
Let's see what they did up here on Erie Street. Oh, and by the way, this is part 5 for Zinn's Mowers of this edition. We've got a lot of work yet up here on Erie to do. That was First and Lincoln Way. This will probably be an ongoing thing next year too. But this portion at least will be done before the winter gets here.
Yeah.
They've got to build the intersection here and put all the brick down.
Got a bunch of work to do.
That right there is supposed to be some kind of a storm drain system.
How'd you get close?
Probably about 3 feet below the street there. And over here.
Very, very muddy and kind of sandy. Ugh. Yeah.
There's their access to get into the site.
Yep. And someone's here. I want to film their license plate.
We're getting new sidewalks too. Yeah, this soil is kind of sandy, a little bit of mud. Tire marks, or crawler track marks, I should say.
It feels pretty wet.
Yeah.
Jeez.
It'll be a road soon, so just stay tuned, guys. I do got one more thing to show you. But I've been seeing on Facebook that motivated me to get down here and do one of these. If you follow me on Facebook, Massillon Tiger Football Family, or in on Massillon Virtual Sounding Board, or any of my other groups that I'm either a member or an admin of, or even my personal timeline, I will share some of this stuff.
Difficult.
The hope is to have this done by the Massillon McKinley Parade, which I will be filming too, but that is like 6 weeks away.
I think we film the pep rally also.
I probably will film the pep rally too. This is just their batter board to get the road straight and find some kind of way to get over it safely.
Well, guys, I don't know what that is, but we'll just ignore that. Go, go.
Come here, guys.
Yo, Isaiah.
The best way to film that Tim is going to be from that side.
Yo, Isaiah, some of y'all old man's yelling at us over there. Idiots.
I don't know.
He just yells like, get over, what are you doing, kids? First of all, he's not a kid. Just shut up unless he's gonna...
Coming around here, he'll step down there, along that side there. That's their bump out thing. Guys, it's really going to be nice. Just gotta stay tuned to the completion.
Play some nice music. And I got the Lincoln Theater.
There's a Massillon Museum right there.
Nice. This is where I actually got my pin from.
That's where the road is blocked on this end.
Do not come here. It's bad.
Save the best for last on purpose. This is the end that it hasn't yet been completed, but it is going to be complete. There's some of the materials right there.
Looks really bricky.
I'm even going to take a picture of this for the thumbnail, I think. That really looks cool. I've never seen nothing like
Oh,
this.
that is awesome. Look at that.
Only if they could have done an Obi logo. That would have been really good. Because they could have probably put an Obi logo here and one down there. That would have really been cool.
And then there's
I still appreciate what they've done here.
Yeah, so
and then these are the brick crosswalks.
It looks really nice. What I think you should do is try to take a drone and maybe like take a picture on top of it.
I think somebody had done that, and I could probably link that video here too.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Guys, I think this is it here. Go Tigers, beat Penn Trafford. I will be
That's right,
there
guys.
this week.
Please leave a link to Isaiah's channel. Let you know. I gotta let you know. I'll let you know, guys. Because I'm gonna. He's right there. It's very blurry.
Have a good day. Thanks.
Yeah, everyone had a good time. So yeah, go Tigers and beat Penn Trafford. Bye.